Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be learning about how can we insert a row in an Excel workbook. So in this particular sheet, what I'll let's say for an example, I want to insert a row between 2 and 3. So what I'll do is I'll select this and press double click on mouse, right click and insert. So it will create a row for me so that I can insert my data. And let's say for an example, if I want to insert more than one rows, so let's say for an example, I want to add four more rows. So what I'll do is I'll select four rows, right click and insert. So it will create four rows for me to fill the data. So that's a quick wrap up about how can we insert rows in an Excel. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.